This has been a popular piece lately. 21G63. I wonder why they try to scrape that off. I don't know what it's in here for. Huh. Side exhaust. A little damage right here, a little damage on the fender. What's she in for? Nobody knows. Huh. Keep on showing up. Ford Mustang Mach 1. Auto. Hitting the front. 21 model Geico car. Punched pretty good. Ooh. What does I see? Intercooler. Intercooler. Ooh. The Pro Charger. The Pro Charger Supercharger. Okay. Okay. Ponies and the Smokies. Okay, okay. Right on. Here. Looks like maybe a tree fell on it. Looking pretty sweet. Ooh-wee. Locked up. But behind that, we have something really, really nice. 991. Oh, fall down. GT3 RS. Buckets. Carbon PCCB. But very lightly damaged. Oh, water. Oh. Uh-huh. No boom boom. Little roll cage. Huh. I bet they damaged that front end towing it. I don't know what this color is called. I wonder if it's paint to douchebag or if it's off the shelf color. Yeah, I'm betting that this is tow truck damage. What do you think? Who's bidding on this? And here's the question. It looks like it got up to about the hub. Did that get into the engine? Hello, hello in there. Factory exhaust. Pretty sweet.